Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're unboxing and trying on Lululemon's latest everywhere belt bag in the 1 liter size in a canvas material in the color natural/black. Now this also comes in a brown color, which is called Artifact, but I was so drawn to this two-tone color and I can't believe that it's still in stock. Now I actually originally purchased this for my mom for Mother's Day, but I actually thought it was so cute and I couldn't resist buying one for myself. Now if you're thinking, oh my goodness, this is such a trend, this is such a fad, I could never picture myself using one, I can assure you, you've never tried it. So my mom actually got me a salmon orange color over the holidays and I used it while I was traveling through the airport and it was so comfortable. It was so freeing that I didn't have to keep track of a purse and I could just wear it across my chest and I knew exactly where all my valuables were and my phone, my passport, my wallet. Anytime I got up, I just had no worries in the world. I kind of felt like a guy that had really big pockets. All right, now as always, we are going through each detail of the bag so you can see exactly how it would arrive if you had purchased it yourself. I can tell that this one is brand spanking new because it does have the paper covering still on the strap, and it also has the elastic bands all the way at the end. So you can really tell when something comes brand new, and this definitely did. Now, taking a look at the belt bag itself, of course, it does have a buckle so you can unclasp it. This is really convenient for a few reasons. Of course, the classic way of putting it around your waist, you definitely need to have a belt buckle to be able to take it on and off. But also, if you have worn it across your chest as a crossbody and you put on a sweater, you can just unclasp the buckle and kind of pull the strap around you without having to take off your sweater to get it off. I love to do this with all my purses, and I definitely love to do it with this product too. Now inside, you're getting a look at the organization. On one side, you have one big mesh pocket, and on the other side, you have 2 individual smaller mesh pockets. Some like this extra organization and others find it restrictive, but overall, I enjoy it. I do like that extra organization inside the bag that's already built in. All right, let's go ahead and try this on so you can get the full impact. Now, I just happen to be wearing all black, and I think the contrast is even more stark. You can really see that the two-tone genuinely pops so brightly. It really accentuates all of the features on this bag, but is also really subtle and kind of blends in. It reminds me a lot of that trend that's going on that's called silent luxury, where you really don't want to scream any brand allegiance. You really just want to wear classic colors, classic styles, a lot of whites and blacks and beige and navy. So in that train of thought, I really do think that this works with that overall style. Now I'm demonstrating here just how easy it is to get in and out of this bag if you are wearing it on your crossbody. This is how I wore it throughout the airport, and it was really convenient, especially when I wanted to take out my phone for a quick second, look at something, and then put it right away and have some hands-free moments again. Of course, you can also wear it around your back. I would choose this option if I was going on a hike or a trail walk, but I think anyway with this one, you can't go wrong. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to drop a white heart or your most recent emoji in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.